Hi, I'm Lilia Wingett Hernandez, owner and manager of Commonwealth Life and Legacy Counsel, and we're here in our office in Zion Crossroads, Virginia. And we're going to be talking about pet trust for just a few minutes, and I have our subject matter expert, Kate the Law Dog, here to help us out with that discussion. So the first question that people often ask is, what is a pet trust? So in Virginia, we have a statute that recognizes the creation of a trust for the care of an animal. And so it allows you to legally provide, set aside money or property for the benefit of your animal. And you can name a trustee who can manage that money or property for the benefit of your pets. And you can name a caretaker who will have possession of your pets. And your caretaker and your trustee can be the same person, or you can choose different people. And ideally you'd have several people as backups just in case. But a lot of times people say, well, I don't need a pet trust. My friend Bob or my sister is willing to take care of my animals. She loves my animals and she'll take care of them if I can't take care of them myself. And while that's a great first start, that's assuming that everything will be exactly as it is right now today when you actually need someone to care for your animals. And so the person that you think will care for your animals or has agreed in good faith to care for them today may not be available to care for them at the time when you actually need them to step up, or they may be dealing with something in their own lives that makes it difficult for them to take care of your animals. And they may not be able to afford to take care of your animals. So if they're faced with the decision of caring for themselves or dealing with a health crisis for themselves or for their children, then they may have to put your animals into a shelter because they can't afford to care for them. So folks will then say, well, that's all right. I'm going to leave some money to my friend Bob or my sister, and I'm going to tell them to use some of that money for the benefit of my pets. And again, that's a good start, but if they're not legally required to use the money for the benefit of your pets, they may not actually do so. Either because, again, they simply can't afford to do so, they need the money for some other reason, or because they choose not to do so. So that's why bringing us back to the legal mechanism for providing for your animal, the pet trust, can be a really good idea, because just like you would provide for yourself, your loved ones, for your children, you name people to take care of your children if you aren't here, you set aside money for that purpose. Our pets are our family. And so you can use a pet trust to legally provide for them and to make sure that there's a backup plan, so that if the people that you name can't take care of them, that you can name someone who can step up, or at least have a process by which someone else can be appointed to take care of your animal or to manage the money that you set aside for your animal. So Kate, did I miss anything? Is there anything we need to add? We'll probably talk about this more. But if you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment or subscribe to our channel, and I thank you for watching.